Let's start a poem. Bits of paper, lying on the floor, make the place untidy, pick them up. कागज के टुकड़े ज़मीन पर जगह खराब करते हैं, उसे उठा लें. Hope you have enjoyed this poem.